Hi there students. Hub. H-U-B. A hub. Well, for me the first meaning of a hub is the centre part of a wheel. You know, you have a bicycle wheel and it has these spokes coming out radially. Well, the centre part that actually turns is the hub. Or if you have a car wheel, if the wheel of a car, if you take off the tyre, the central metal piece is the hub. And then you have a thing that goes over that, the hub cap. So, for example, I parked my car last night and this morning I discovered somebody had stolen the hub caps. Now, we also use this word hub to mean a central point where many routes meet. So, for example, London is an important travel hub. Chinese travel hubs normally include a bus station, a train station, an underground station, and an airport, all together. So it makes travel a lot easier. You could have a hub with computers. For example, a USB hub. A hub is a device to connect various different things. Okay, so a hub, a central thing or a central point, a central focus from which other things radiate, they go out from it. You could have a distribution hub. Most companies have a distribution hub. And all the goods for one area are sent to that place. And then they are distributed from there. So they're taken to a central point and distributed from the hub. New Billingsgate Market is a hub for the sale and distribution of fish in southwest England. So a hub, a central point, a focal point, the centre part, the heart. So very often the bar or the pub is the social hub of a small community, where everything meets, where everything focuses. So next question, what about formality for hub? I think this is a neutral word. I think you could use it in an informal conversation in the pub, in something semi-formal, and in something very formal. So it works in all places. Now, the next question is the origin of this word hub. Well, maybe it's linked to the word hob, but I can't seem to find a good etymology for this. If you've got a good etymology for the word hub, I'd be interested to hear. So, a hub, the centre of a wheel, the centre part, or a central point, a central thing, a focus where everything drifts towards this, everything gravitates towards it, towards the hub, and then there are radial things that go out to other places. So there you go, hub, a nice little word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hub.